a stream without asking the AI to help me. Have your pet fetch 3 potions. Okay.
You beefing with AI?
I mean, to a certain extent, yeah.
That's how you know you're getting up.
I'm beefing for different reasons. I'm trying not to rely on AI, but it's like I looked at the hints and stuff and it wasn't really giving me enough hints, and I need more participation from viewers like you to help me out, because we want to ask real people instead of robots.
Robots are the future.
No, because the stuff that I'm seeing at this Consumer Electronics Show is wild. Are you gonna get that TV that you can suction cup to the wall?
Not on these walls.
Probably take the whole wall down. Oh. Okay, so we got the go fetch. While true, potion is finding there's if the potion, then the pet will fetch the potion, which I hope I put that in there right. Let's see. Go get the potion, birdie. Yeah. Wait, what type of potion she taking? She must be taking some ginseng too. She look a little tired. I know that's right. We've completed 50 if statement levels and 50 string levels. We are doing it, y'all.